Alright guys, so I just buttered this pan. What I'm going to do is try the Flavor Gods buttery cinnamon roll and their chocolate donut on the apples. I saw a video and want to try it. So right now I'm just going to let them get some caramelization on both sides, and then I'm going to flip them over and put on the seasoning. Alright, so now I'm just going to turn them over. Now I'm going to add the seasoning. Alright, so I divided it 3 and 3. So I'm going to do, I'm just trying to do this with my left hand, but I'm going to try. This is the donut, chocolate donut. Ah! That's what happens when you're not using your dominant hand. Now I'm going to use the buttery cinnamon roll on these. I think I got the technique now, since I'm using my left hand, is to just move it back and forth versus trying to dump it. I will say the smell is delicious. And I think I'm just gonna let it, I'll turn the heat down and let it, yeah, I'm gonna turn the heat down and let it simmer and then come back. So I forgot that I have some vanilla, some Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract, and I'm just gonna put some of that in here. I'm moving around a little bit. Looks like they're almost done. Turn it down just a little bit more, and then I'll be back. And this is the end result. So we have the chocolate donut on this side and the cinnamon roll on this side. Now for the taste test. Alright, so now I've garnished it with walnuts and ginger. So hopefully it comes out and tastes great. Alright, so I'm going to try the chocolate donut first. Let's see what it's about. I don't think I put enough seasoning on the bite I took. Didn't really have that much seasoning. So I'm going to take this other bite. It's subtle. It's not overpowering. And then because I put the walnuts and the ginger, it gives it another little spice in there. So now I'm gonna do the cinnamon roll one. So I see I could have added more spice. I think I'm gonna just sprinkle some more seasoning on here because the apple flavor is overpowering this seasoning. But I still say it's good. Good, healthy treat. So I'm gonna go get some more seasoning. But if you get a chance, try Flavor Gods. A reason I tried it, because they have no MSG. It's paleo and keto. I think it was no sugars as well. So, yeah, give it a try. Wanted to give you guys another try. So I sprinkled more and kind of like pressed it in to see if that's gonna make a difference. But this is the bite I'm gonna take. I got a nut that was in the back of my wisdom tooth. So it tastes a lot of butter because I did it in butter. The chocolate is very faint, so I guess that's good for me because I'm not a big chocolatey person. If you are, you may want to bake this versus putting it on the stove top so the seasonings can bake in a little bit more. But for me, I think this is fine. And with the nuts added and the ginger spicing, it's not bad at all. Matter of fact, the ginger it brightens it up. So this would be a cool treat to do for a party. I would do like the nuts and ginger combo, or the apples pre-sliced, and like maybe bake it where I'm going, and make the room smell great too, or the house that I'm at, and then just do it in the oven. So I'm gonna do this cinnamon roll one again. See all the little goodness. And the same thing here. It does have a cinnamon roll taste, but it's not overpowering. And then because I have the ginger, which is very strong, it's kind of probably subduing the flavor. But, like I say, it's a pretty good little snack. Actually, this is breakfast. Oops, sorry. My hand's getting tired. Ooh. But this is breakfast for me, so. Like I said, give it a try.